Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to the Bremen Tram Museum Open Day and we're travelling there on this restored tram, which you can catch from the main railway station in Bremen. It's a special service that only runs on certain days and runs from right outside the railway station directly to the museum. We were lucky to catch it as we didn't actually know it was running till we spotted it, so we climbed on board and found a seat as it set off on its journey. This tram costs €3 or around £2.50 when we travelled on it in 2024, and you get issued a ticket like this. However, if you've got a normal BSAG ticket for other trams in Bremen, then these are not actually valid on this tram, so you'll need to pay for this special ticket. During the trip, the conductor gave talks with information and apparently funny jokes, but it was only in German, so we didn't understand. Still, he seemed to do a good job. Everyone else liked it. We soon got to the museum, called Das Dept on Google Maps, where there were also some vintage buses on display, and they were running shuttle services as well today. Our tram headed off as it was running back and forth to the railway station all day, but there were also other old trams running today too. We're going to head on inside and check out the museum and displays, but as we made our way to the entrance, we passed even more retro buses which were on display today. Upon entry, you need a museum ticket. This is different to the earlier ticket we bought for the tram ride, and entry to the museum cost an additional €4 or around £3.30. And with tickets bought, we checked out the museum and what was going on today. Oh, also remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. So come along with us and enjoy the rest of the Bremen Tram Museum Open Day.
Das ist ja das Hannover. Weil die hat 16.000 Schritte gemacht, die Presse.
einen großen Aufwand gemacht. Dann ist die Geige hier wieder mitlaufen. Wo will der denn so wieder München denn auch nicht so? Hat man nicht.
Beim Absteigen die linke Hand am linken Griff. Und dann für die